Pagpa-flower. Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. This card is from Jace. Here. And Jace said, Mommy, thank you for everything. I love you, Jace. Love you too, Jace. Mommy, Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Love you to Joe people. And then the last card I got is from Kuya. Oh, Kuya, can you read it for me?
Okay. Okay. You know I did this before. Mommy, thank you for everything. Happy Mother's Day. Mommy, I love you so much. Love, Jack. And there's a picture of me.
Ah, look at this flower.